Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy English with Rafi and myself Rafi, and I wish you a very warm welcome from the bottom of my heart, guys. And this is the very first video that I am recording for this YouTube channel. I created this YouTube channel before a week ago, guys, and today in this video I will talk about like why I created this YouTube channel and what kind of content that I'm going to make for this YouTube channel and what is this channel is all about. In this video I will talk about every single thing, so don't skip, watch. Without wasting any further time, let's get started. So in this video, I will give you an introduction about my YouTube channel, what exactly I'm going to do here on this YouTube channel and what kind of content that I'm going to post on this YouTube channel. And especially I will explain why I created this YouTube channel, what's my goal, and also I will explain about myself a little bit. So let's start this video. So guys, like this is Rafi, as I already mentioned at the very beginning. So myself Rafi, I do belongs to West Bengal, India, and by profession I'm working in an IT field. And like what exactly I'm looking for right now, I want to be a very good English speaker. That's what my goal is. I face lot of problem because of my communication skills. I started my English speaking journey before, like since couple of years, but last few months I took it very seriously and I am working very hard to make these things better. I thought that I need to create few videos, or I need to share this journey with some of these people, because like I have seen, so I have seen many people with whom I have talked across many different online platforms, and I've found that everyone is having the same problem like me. Like we are getting worried about making mistakes, like feeling shy, lack of confidence, and like and we are not having that environment where we can speak in English, and also having a few family issues. So this is very common problem for almost every people that we are here in our country, and it's not only in India. This kind of problem for like every non-native English speaking countries. Like we are all having the same kind of issues. So but we know how much important it is right now to have a good communication skills. We all knows that very honestly. So uh, now I feel like we have to learn how to speak good English, and it's very easy. I think this is the one of the most easiest language to learn nowadays, because like we are living in a technological era in 2025, and there are a lot of resources that you can find from which you can learn this language very easily. So that's why I thought, okay, let's share my learning journey with people so that they can also feel relatable. Also they can also get some help from my videos or my tips and tricks that I will be sharing in this YouTube channel in future. And especially I need to talk about this channel is only for those who call themselves or who sees themselves like as a beginner. This channel is for beginners, or you can say intermediate or upper intermediate, for those people, like for those students, and not for the expert or upper advanced or super advanced, because like I'm not in that place where I see myself as a advanced speaker or super advanced speaker. So I'm having some problem in my own speaking, so how can I help those super advanced or upper advanced people? So that's why I'm saying like these videos, like the kind of video that I'm going to create or post here on this YouTube channel, that is only for the beginners or upper intermediate stage people who are like facing this basic problem to start their journey, and they are feeling shy and they are worried about mistakes, right? So especially I'm targeting only those uh, students who are beginner, only those people who are beginner basically. uh, this is the reason that I started. I thought like, okay, let's create an YouTube channel and let's help people to learn this language, and also like I also need to learn by myself. So I thought, okay, if I start taking it seriously and I will be helping people to creating videos and learning things, so that by helping them as well as like doing a lot of research for them, by this way I will be able to like learn a lot of stuff by my own. Let's start creating videos on YouTube. So that's the reason being I am creating this video, and I will create a lot of other videos as well on this YouTube channel for you guys. You know, and it happens like it's not the first time that somebody is saying about this kind of stuff. You guys already have heard many times, like people are making contents on Facebook, on YouTube, on a lot of other social platform as well on this topic. But I found everyone is talking about those old school methods, which is not that much fascinating nowadays. It's like time is changing, right? Our mentality is also getting changed every single day. So like in 2025 we need to find our modern methods, like which is effective and which is very
Then it's not
practical in
going to
our
be a
daily
fascinating
life
thing for
nowadays
you.
in 2025. And if you still following those old school methods, then it's so we have to find like our modern methods by which we can learn this language effectively. And like in this YouTube channel I will be posting a lot of tricks and methods for like on the basis of this modern world, on the current time, what exactly the technological advancements we are going through. So I will bring a lot of different methods. I will be sharing a lot of different, you know you can say, ways where we can learn a lot of stuff by following those tips, tricks, and methods. So this is what exactly why I created this YouTube channel. But to be very honest, guys, like I'm working, I do have the job. I am a professional person, but in my profession as well, even though we are using this language, but no one is speaking in English. To be very honest, we know the environment in our country. People are not interested to speaking in English. They are always using their native language. So that's why still, even though like I'm working, but I'm not that much good at English communication skills. That's why I thought I need to change these things. I need to improve myself. So I started my journey, and today I'm sharing my journey with you guys as well, so that we can learn, we can improve together. At the end of this video, I will share something which is very important, guys, which is very, very important to understand. You have to help yourself to improve yourself. So हमें करना है, बट हमें नहीं आता कि हम कैसे करेंगे. हमें बोलना है, हम चाहते हैं कि हम बहुत अच्छे से इंग्लिश बोले, बट हमें नहीं आते हैं, क्योंकि हम अभी तक उस ढंग से, उस तरीके से हमने ट्राई ही नहीं किया, कभी कोशिश ही नहीं किया बोलने की. हम वैसे सीरियस ही नहीं ले इस चीज़ को कभी, कि हम कैसे स्टार्ट करें, कैसे अपने आप को समझाएं और कैसे अपने आप को मोटिवेट करें ताकि हम स्टार्ट करें एटलीस्ट. और शुरू में दोस्तों मिस्टेक तो हो गई. व्हेन वी आर ए बिगिनर, इट्स वेरी नेचुरल, इट्स वेरी कॉमन दैट हम लोग बहुत सारे गलतियां करेंगे, बट दैट्स फाइन. जब हम बिगिनर है उस वक्त ये गलती करना वेरी कॉमन है. तो स्टार्ट टेकिंग दिस थिंग्स, इट्स वेरी नॉर्मल. हमें पता है कि बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो बहुत जजी है, बहुत सारे लोग हैं हमें जज करते हैं अपने, स्पेशली व्हेन इट कम्स टू स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश. छोटे छोटे गलती में भी लोग ताने मारने लगते हैं. हमें पता है वो चीज़ होते हैं, बट यू हैव टू इग्नोर दोज पीपल इन ऑर्डर टू इम्प्रूव योर सेल्फ. हम अपने लाइफ में देखें, बी एट एनी पॉइंट इन योर लाइफ, जब भी आप कुछ करने जाओगे तो कुछ लोग होंगे जो आपको पीछे की तरफ धकेलने की कोशिश करेंगे. वो नहीं चाहते कि आप इम्प्रूव करें, उनसे अच्छे बनो. तो हमें वैसे लोगों को इग्नोर करना है और हमें वैसे लोगों से दूर रहना है. ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग होंगे जो आपको सपोर्ट करेंगे. हमें वैसे लोगों को ढूंढना है जो हमें मोटिवेट करेंगे, जो हमें सपोर्ट करेंगे. और हमें किसी के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट नहीं होना है. यू हैव टू हेल्प योरसेल्फ. आपको खुद को हेल्प करना है. अब ट्राई करो, आप स्टार्ट करो. इनिशियली जब आप बिगिनर हो तो आप भूल जाओ कि आपको कुछ भी आता हो. आप जितना भी आपको आते, जितना भी आते, चाहे वो टूटा फूटा जो भी हो, 10 वर्ड क्यों ना हो, 10 सेंटेंस ही क्यों ना हो, आप उसी से स्टार्ट करो, बट यू हैव टू स्टार्ट, एंड बाय द टाइम you will learn everything by yourself. Every steps that you are doing, that's count. हर एक वो steps आपको हेल्प करेंगे, आपको इम्प्रूवमेंट लाने के लिए अपने कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स पे। और ऐसे भी हम जहाँ पे जिस एनवायरनमेंट में रहते हैं वहाँ पे ऐसे भी हमें बहुत सारा अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं मिलता कि हम इंग्लिश बोल सकते किसी के साथ। सो ये एक चैलेंज तो है, और ये लैंग्वेज को बोलने के लिए गाइस मेरा हिंदी भी थोड़ा अप डाउन है, थोड़ा एडजस्ट कर लेना, क्योंकि आई डू बिलोंग्स टू वेस्ट बंगाल, सो आई स्पीक बंगाली एज माई मदर टंग, and my second language is Hindi, and then English is my third language. So I'm trying to learn this language as much as possible and as soon as possible, and keep patience. This is also very important. Keep patience and keep learning. Every day you need to practice something. You need to surround with this language every day, at least for 10 minutes, 20 minutes. You need to spend your time on this language. That is how you are going to be familiar with this language. And in next videos I will be sharing a
To
lot of
make this
different
video
methods,
longer,
tricks and tips how you can improve yourself. So I don't want to
this video
thinking just to introduce myself in this video, as this is the first video, so I was thinking just to introduce myself, but I already shared some of the information that I will be sharing in next few videos in detail, how we can overcome the situation. So guys, this is all about today, and I hope you guys understood that why I created this YouTube channel and what my motto is. And thank you so much for watching this video, and आप अगर अभी तक भी देख रहे हो तो आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, and I'm very thankful that you guys joined me and you are watching this video. And if you like this video, and if you like the intention, the motto of my YouTube channel, the reason, the intention that I have to create this YouTube channel, then please do subscribe and like this video and share with your friends, your colleagues, your relatives who is thinking to start his speaking journey but not starting just because of those basic problems. Share these videos with them, and let's start our journey. Let's enjoy this learning process together. So bye for today. Very soon I'll be creating a new video on this YouTube channel. So till that time, thank you so much and have a good day, and Jai Hind.